Hello everyone, I am Ravinder Singh from class QKH 2104, Keusahawanan Siswa. Today I am going to review on E-Romans Raya campaign in which the speaker Hussein Zavia, who is CEO and co-founder of E-Roman, encourages us to export to Middle East. So I am going to start with the about of Middle East region. Middle East and MENA region consists of 22 countries with over than 575 millions in population. E-Romans is targeting the leading market countries such as Saudi Arabia, United Arab Emirates and Egypt. So now we will see the Middle East trends. So in 2016, the number of online buyers in Egypt, KSA and UAE continued to grow, as well as the population. And the top buying categories in 2016 were mobile phone, laptops. And the most popular method for payment were cash on delivery and by credit cards. So why we choose E-Romans? E-Romans can reach millions of potential customers. Besides, it has a local experience and marketing support, as well as easy listing. It also has a payment and shipping handled by E-Romans, which is I will explain later. And it has a seller support. What are the E-Romans mission? E-Romans wants to provide a borderless shopping by offering a user-friendly, convenient and trusted e-commerce platform. All these will be achieved by being a customer-oriented marketplace and having a great partnership with our sellers. So this is what mean by shipping handled by E-Romans. All sellers that have to do is work on the only thing matters, which is selling. Sellers will have no more headache to deliver their order to the customer, in which all the process are carried out by Romans. We as a sellers, we shouldn't have any worries about how the process will go. All will be carried out by Romans. So this is the E-Roman marketplace. E-Roman marketplace has onboarded during this year with 152 sellers. All of them were Malaysian SMEs by working closely with MDEC, and this has increased the number of product and vast numbers of SKU in their platform during this year. So it means the product is increasing year by year. And E-Romans has a buyer protection policy in which E-Roman guarantees that any item bought from them can be refunded for free up to 7 days under E-Romans buyer protection. 100% of money back. So this is the process in selling in E-Roman. First, we have to register and submit our document and list our product. So buyer will start order from our product. All we have to do is just like pack and prepare to ship the orders and deliver to them, and they will ship the order to our customers. And the last one is that you will get paid. So these are the required documents in selling in E-Romans. So all we need is business registration, SSM, director list, bank statement and signatory IC. All the documents submitted are required not to be older than 12 months from the date of submission, and all documents should be legible and clear. So these are the E-Roman payment cycle. E-Roman payment cycle will make a payment will be made from 10 to 15 working days from the date of item has been delivered to the customer successfully. So these are the reviews on E-Romans, but also we as a Malaysian, we will face some difficulties such as Arabic language. The sellers cannot provide Arab customers with Arabic translated product, means we have to learn a bit about Arabic language so that we can market our product there. Shipping. Most sellers cannot provide express shipping to Arab customers. The third one is local currencies and cash delivery. Sellers cannot provide Arab customers with COD code, the most preferred payment among Arabs, as payment option. The last one is marketing. Most sellers can't provide Arabic content marketing to Arabs. The local currency and cash on deliveries means that actually we cannot provide the Arab customer with the code, which means here in Malaysia we will do the same method, which is very easy for us to do business or online marketing. So these are the some of the barriers for us that we should overcome so that we can market our product in Middle East. So as conclusion, e-Romans is a very good platform for us to expand our online business, with the condition we take in consideration of all the struggles that will come through. Thank you. That's all from me.